Chicken, Matar peas. Chicken. Red chili powder 2 teaspoons, black pepper 1 teaspoon, salt as taste. Turmeric powder ½ teaspoon. 2 onions, 1 tomato, 3 green chilies, 2 tsp ginger garlic paste. Matar 1 cup. In a wok, add 1 cup of oil and then add onions in it. Fry it until it turns golden brown. Now add chicken in it. Fry it well until its color change. Now add ginger garlic paste. Add all mentioned spices. And cover the wok with lid. When tomatoes tendered, completely bonify it well. Add green chilies to enhance the taste. Now add peas Matar in it. Bonify it for 5 minutes more. Now add 2 cups of water and cover the lid until peas tendered completely. Add fresh coriander and serve it hot with chipatas. Matar chicken are ready to serve. For watching, thanks. Subscribe.